Yeah, that's a nice view. You can't really beat that.
No. Of course, she had a house out on Lake Tarpon that she liked better because she liked the lake view better than the ocean view.
Yeah.
Well, we're born and raised in Florida, so
Yeah.
we've seen the sunsets and sea.
Yeah.
But we walked in that house one day, and I walked in with P.O., and there was somebody in the house, and P.O. said, "Who are you?" And the guy looks down at us and says, "Well, who are you?"
Yeah, guy's been living upstairs.
Oh, no way.
Now, the house was 14,000 square feet, so nobody went
Jeez,
upstairs.
yeah.
You know,
Just having a hard time
Well,
connecting.
yeah.
Oh, there we go.
he'd been living.
In your own house.
He'd been living upstairs, yeah, and driving her car around.
Oh, no way. Yeah,
Yeah.
you make it think you're going crazy or something like that.
Well, she has a bunch of cars.
Yeah,
so
okay.
This one was sitting in the garage.
Yeah.
But it was a Bentley, a convertible Bentley. So,
Yeah.
you know, he's tooling around in the car for 2 weeks. And then when the cops came, they arrested him. He had his parents living in the next room.
Oh, no
upstairs.
way. That's
He
crazy.
just had a big birthday party the night before for his father's birthday.
Crazy.
Insane,
And
man.
his parents believed it was his house.
I mean, you got kids?
yeah,
You got a pretty good idea what they're worth? You
yeah.
think they can afford a $4 million mansion on Lake Tarpon? Probably
No.
not. You think they can afford a Bentley?
Yeah.
Probably not, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well for yourself.
You know, cop said, well, you want to press charges against his parents? And I'm like, they were terrified.
yeah.
You know, poor things. They
They
didn't know
were
what to do.
nice.
Yeah.
And, you know, I was like, no, they didn't know anything.
Yeah.
And, you know, they were just like, because I guess he picked him up from the airport. And turns out he went by to take him to where he was living with his girlfriend. She
Right.
saw the car and said, I don't want any part of this trouble.
Right.
Kicked him out.
yeah.